Oh, super close now. Super close. We got headers on. Head is completely on. Handed the valve covers. Like I said, intake. I'm not sure if I made another video yet, but intake isn't on there. It's just sitting on there, so we can cut in the back and run the harness. But headers are on. Head is back on. I gotta put the steam lines back on. I didn't put the bracket back on yet for the power steering pump and the alternator because I don't want it to be in the way when we're running the harness, which I'm pretty sure it won't even make a difference, but I'm just leaving it off for now. Yeah, so what else did I do? I got those in. Let me see. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that down there. I got the low card dipstick. Here is, let me see, there's a part number on this side. Yep, here's a part number here for you guys. You guys pause it if you need to. This is the one I used. The bracket didn't line up, however, for the transmission, which I'm pretty sure I can fab something up and get it to where I can have it mounted to that transmission if I want it, but I don't know, it's not going to touch the header there, and it's not really going to move too much while I'm riding, so shouldn't be that bad. Fabbed up, the transmission lines are all good. We got those all tied in. Transmission cooler. Let me see if I got that underneath to get a better shot of you guys. So you got this one coming underneath, tying in there. And we got another up there up top. So yeah. Alright. So yeah. Then that bolt that was broken. Again, sucks for not having a house. No bench to put this bench vise on. So got it just sitting on the ground or either on the trunk of the Impala. Either way. This was the bolt that was, or the stud that was broken off into the transmission mount. So I extracted that. Let me see which side. This side here. This side is the one I extracted. Got that out. Got another stud from Ace. This was all they had. I wasn't gonna go to a million different places looking, so I cut it off, put it on there, good as new. Yeah, so just gotta get the radiator hoses mocked up. I got the heater hoses already. I just set those in the trunk. Get wired up, and the transmission shift linkage, I gotta get that all set up and squared away as well. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, but once all that gets squared away, this thing should be able to run. I'm anticipating that day. Can't wait to hear it run. We got a lot of burnouts coming. A lot. You know, neighbors aren't going to be too happy with me. I'll let my boy come over here. He already made a little exit, and then another boy made another exit over there. So they're going to be a lot. It's gonna be a lot worse because I'm not gonna stop. So yep. Still gotta figure out if I'm gonna do the floor shifter or if I'm gonna just stick with the column shift for now. It's gonna be just the 3 on the tree, I guess, because I mean there's not really, you got drive, second, and first, so I won't be able to get first gear. So if anything, you guys will see me doing burnouts in second. But either way it'll go, I'm just hoping for the best. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. It's my first time building a motor or putting one together. I wouldn't say, maybe he's building it. Never did it before, so hopefully the first time's the charm and everything goes well. So we'll see what happens. If I get some more stuff done, I'll give you guys another update. Another thing happened today. Got some 275 60 15s for the back, and for the front we have sorry about all this movement. We got 255 70 15s for the front. So these are going to be going, the big wide ones are going to be going on 10-inch rallies. Those are going to be going on the back. The front is going to have 8-inch rallies with a little bit of taller tire, a little skinnier than these. These are going to be kind of wide on the back. So, yeah. Just went and picked some new ones up. We'll be able to burn these down to nothing. So, yeah, just a little quick update, show you guys what I got. Alright, hopefully we'll be running soon. Haven't seen this place for a while. 4400 just got abandoned. Kind of just left it here. But it's all good because that motor's getting torn all the way down. I'm gonna send it off to the speed shop and have it hot tanked. Board over, we're gonna put a stroker kit, make it into a 406. So, yeah. Just a little update. Let's go see what I had going on. Got some white letters going. We got white walls already in there. Showed you guys that before or not. It will have hubcaps. So I have a bunch of. I have these, and then I have a shit ton more. So another place where I have these as well, like a hubcap quarter. No, I'm not gonna sell them to mask. But yeah, these are 1.5-inch white walls. These are 235 75 15s. That's what size white wall we ride on out here. Those will be going on the stock. Well, actually I got rallies at the house. The ones that are already on it, I'm gonna put those white letters on those with the hubcaps. So they'll be sitting on 15x8s all the way around. When I do decide to ride on the white walls and on the white letters, it'll be 15x10s in the rear, 15x8s on the front. I'm gonna order a new set of rallies. So yeah, just a quick video, give you guys an update.